Hey, how's it going? It's Sam and Gustavo at Blue Collar Scholars, and I want to show you a beautiful stone patio that we built, I think 4 years now ago. This is called Blue Select Thermal Flagstone. It's the highest quality stone. And you can see the client has, put, a lot of furniture and put, one of his portable fire pits here. We built a foggy bottom stone veneer sitting wall here. Nice and easy. I had leg day on Sunday, so I'm pretty sore. But yeah, you can sit down here, and then over where Gustavo is over here, you can see this is a channel drain. This is a little bit of a unique scenario. You can see there's a hill down here. We had to install a channel drain. Okay, we could not grade it. It was just too expensive, too much work to grade it that way. Okay, it would have been really awkward. So we created a channel drain here. What a channel drain is, it literally is an underground gutter. All right, imagine your gutter at the end of your roof. It's collecting the water, okay, and then turning it into a downspout, which will be buried away from the home. It's the same exact concept. This patio is acting like a roof. Water is coming down, entering my channel drain. We convert it into a solid PVC pipe. You can't see that underground pipe, and it goes all the way to a grass spot in the front where we are comfortable letting go of the water. Another thing here, because of the rushing water, and everyone in this area knows how much water we're getting nowadays, we did an extra barrier protection for this retaining wall. And you can see this is like 4 years old. It is in perfect shape. Okay, a lot of people cut corners, don't do it well, they start falling apart 2-3 years, and it's hard to get a contractor back. But if you do it right the first time, you do not have to come back. And so how this works, it's literally similar to a gutter. However, we create a trench, line it with fabric. Okay, you see this fabric here, that prevents dirt from falling into it. And then underneath these rocks is a perforated pipe with a mesh sleeve that prevents dirt from getting into that pipe. And remember, perforation means it has holes in it, which allows water to get into this pipe. And then, you guessed it, we converted it to a solid pipe to have it go there. Now, this is really huge for this client because we're going to be replacing his door for them. This door does not work anymore. You know why? Because he didn't used to have this, and all this water was coming here, flooding this area. And everybody knows with moisture, things expand and contract, and that isn't good for doors. That's one of the reasons why doors get stuck. So, client obviously is having us back. We're doing a lot more work for him, and it's a happy marriage, our clients and us. We love what we do, and clients love living at the homes when they're nice. I wanted to show you this job, and I'll see you soon.